Hey guys, right now we are going on a short ride on my bullet and also known as Bulwarine. Little bit dirty, I need to clean it. A little look around. So guys, there's a crisis. We have no clothes to clean our bike. Some dirty hands we have to get.
With hands.
My old man doing his work with hands, working hard as always. Leather wraps. Right now we are trying to start her. And let's start it. We are now going on a short ride. Look at this and look at this guy trying to get out of there. See this, no patience. Today we have decided to take a detour. Impatient people. We have stopped by to get a screen guard and it is pretty hot outside. So unfortunately we didn't get a screen guard. The guy looked very confused for some reason. So we have to go to the old one in which there was so much traffic. Let's go. So this is typical Undri where I live.
Where you have grown up and become a man.
I have grown up and become a little man. I'm not a man.
Maybe you can show relaxation as well.
I don't know if you can see that. I guess no. You see the white building. Next to that is my old building. I'll show you it afterwards sometime. The new marketplace in town filled by a lot of people and my friends, unfortunately. So we are here and let's see if we can get a screen guard. So unfortunately people are not understanding what we need, how we need to cut and all. And this is my Bulwarine shining like anything. So this is my father's favorite place coming up as it has a brewery in it. Do the math yourself. So we are trying to find a mobile shop. I don't think it will be here because our luck is absolutely horrible. Still try. And this is my friend's school, DPS, Delhi Public School, in full form. And no luck here. As I told you, our luck is horrible. Now there is a place coming up called Nomad Customs where my bike was born. Oh, unfortunately it is closed. But you see this side area next to that cafe? This is where my bike was born. Their main head mechanic is still my father's friend, and he has a shop named Auto Engina where I think I'll take you guys once. this is basically the back road of to my old society. This was the main road I was talking about to connect to. I showed you guys earlier in this video also. And we are turning up into my old society. And see these people. This is the society which is built in front of my society. I don't know how, but yes. And we that Kailash Kanchan. You see this brown society? This is my old society. That's my flat on the first floor where A1 is written just next to that. That is my society, and these are some kids playing here, unfortunately. And this is my old parking. So let's go back home now.
And this is the place where
Unfortunately, I don't stay here now, so I have to go in my new society. That brown one which you see, that's in the distance. That's my society. I showed you guys from a distance my new society, and this is the close up. This is the entry gate. We are entering. And this is my society. We will go around it and we will see children playing. As it is a Sunday today, many children, many children. These are the parkings, the lower parking. This is the basketball court, which is also and mostly used as football court. And so we are here, and this is my blue-eyed girl, this is my other girl, this is my other girl, and one girl is gone with another girl. My Activa is unfortunately gone with my mother too, also known as kitty parties, but they're normal parties. And these are the two other girls I was talking about. This is my Activa, and this is, see guys, Beauty and the Beast. Guess who is who?